Mdex is losing its position and at present stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a coursing supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is moderately new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few similitudes to standard DEX. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, conceding it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum biological system. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources by means of its pools utilizing its mechanized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Additionally, it gives awards in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and dealers. What makes Mdex exceptional? Mdex convention has a few elements making it stick out. It is quick and solid. Contrasted with Ethereum, the charge is lower. All things considered, it isn't similar to a protection coin with a gigantic accentuation on mysterious exchanges. The Mdex stage works with the raising support process. Modest exchange charge. When contrasted in Ethereum, the Mdex convention completes exchanges quicker and with low expenses, subsequently furnishing clients with a quicker, more and easy-to-use stage in a fluid exchanging framework for a minimal price. Exchanging mining. This exchanging convention rewards clients for each exchange they make. These prizes assist with driving really exchanging movement, helping increment the liquidity and giving additional exchanging choices. Adaptability. Mdex can be changed over completely to different coins or straightforwardly switched over completely to cash. Double mining component. Working on dualized mining development guarantees exchanges and dependable liquidity. The idea of saving all subsidizes increments exchanging exercises prompting an expansion in the computerized market producer liquidity process. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized design. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing brilliant agreements. The trading of this kind works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market cooperation. What makes Mdex unique is its programmed market producer include. They likewise plan to expand their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding various resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-use models and fortify their local area and direct its administration. As per the designer's arrangements, the trade will turn into a center point for shifting resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to incorporate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, fates contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a positive chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost gauge. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice according to our Mdex conjecture. Mdex cost today rises to 23 cents, yet your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from now on. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a greatest cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex gauge toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex gauge, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal least cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. Also, the Mdex worth can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 33 cents. As per our cost estimate, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to arrive at the very least value level of $5.62. The Mdex cost can arrive at a most extreme cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its opposition level of $6.21. The ongoing cost of Mdex is extremely low from its high in February 2021. The unsurpassed exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in something like 7 days with no obstruction. The volume cost activity is plainly noticeable in the Mdex cost graph. Anything that caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested unpredictability presently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight style. The bullish MDX value forecast can go from 34 cents to 40 cents inside the scope of a half year. The probability of penetrating the high is great since there is inclusion from the designers of the MDX coin that upgrades and elements will be made sooner rather than later. Moreover, these improvements inside the Mdex biological system could push the coin to a superior future according to the verifiable information and our Mdex conjecture. From what we have noticed, the ruin from the highs of $10 didn't happen due to the tremendous cost auction. In the event that the aggregated volume is still high, the underlying financial backers may as yet hold the Mdex cost as long as possible. There is no huge volume-based sign that the conveyance has happened. Thus, for now, any reasonable person would agree that there is no negative opinion in MDX as per our Mdex cost expectation. Mdex value expectation, 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we believe that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the venture advancement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in the positive bearing, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex estimate. Mdex value expectation 2022. As per general data for the ventures, essential and specialized examination ought to be finished in the event that one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Consequently, brokers ought to do their own exploration, examine the pattern in markets, and take venture counsel from their monetary guide prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value expectation 2023. The Mdex value expectation depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient displaying procedures. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with cryptographic forms of money news, different figures, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value forecast 2024. According to the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. In general, financial backer opinion and digital currency economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before very long. Mdex value forecast 2025. In view of the verifiable information and Mdex cost figure, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex value forecast 2026. As per the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of appropriate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin. Is Mdex a wise venture for 2022? At the point when posed the inquiry on the off chance that Mdex is a wise speculation, it is vital to consider what one's gamble hunger is. Taking into account the unstable idea of crypto coins, it probably won't be appropriate for certain people. All things considered, Mdex cost could show a great deal of possibilities which might be reflected later on results. It is unpredictable, and in this manner one ought to utilize